Hello. A variety of spacer devices are available to help people use a metered dose inhaler. This video will show you how to give a baby or child their inhaled medication with an AeroChamber Plus Flow Vu spacer and mask. A spacer is an attachment which makes it easier to use a metered dose inhaler, especially if someone finds it difficult to coordinate pressing the inhaler and breathing at the same time. It also helps to get more medicine into the lungs. If the inhaler and spacer are used correctly, your child should have better control of their breathing problem. But if used incorrectly, your child may have poor control of their condition, with the risk of a side effect such as a sore throat or mouth infection. The AeroChamber Plus Flow Vu and mask should be used for babies and young children until they're old enough to use a spacer mouthpiece properly. Versions of the spacer with larger masks are available for adults who cannot use a mouthpiece. We're going to show you how to give a child their medicine from a metered dose inhaler with the AeroChamber Plus Flow Vu. Adults that need to use a mask can follow the same process, using an adult AeroChamber Plus Flow Vu with a mask. People using purple or blue adult versions should be aware that they have an extra feature. They have a built-in whistle which will sound if you breathe in too quickly. This type of spacer has a Flow Vu indicator, which is a coloured flap that moves as the child breathes in and out of the spacer. The Flow Vu indicator will only move if you've made a good seal between the mask of the spacer and the child's face. Not all of the AeroChamber range of spacers have a Flow Vu indicator, so check that this is the right video for the spacer your child has. If possible, your child should sit upright or stand up when using the metered dose inhaler and spacer. For babies, you should either cuddle them on your knee or cradle them in your arms. Remove the cap from the inhaler. Hold the inhaler upright and shake it firmly 4 or 5 times. Insert it into the spacer. When you're ready, apply the mask gently over your child's nose and mouth. Make sure that you have a good seal so that no medication can escape. The Flow Vu indicator only moves if a good seal is created. Press the top of the inhaler down to give a dose of the medicine. Hold the mask firmly in place for 5 normal breaths. Encourage your child to breathe through their mouth, if they're old enough to understand this. You should be able to see the Flow Vu indicator moving as they breathe in and out of the spacer, and this can help you count the breaths. Remember that once you press the top of the inhaler, your child needs to breathe in straight away. Otherwise, the medicine will fall to the bottom of the spacer instead of going into their lungs. So don't press the inhaler until you have the mask in place and are happy that there's a good seal. After 5 breaths, remove the mask from their face. If the doctor has told you to give 2 puffs, wait for 30 to 60 seconds, then repeat the whole process. Remember to shake the inhaler between doses. Once finished, replace the cap on the inhaler to keep dust out. If the metered dose inhaler contains a steroid, usually known as a preventer, make sure you brush your child's teeth or get them to gargle with water after every use to prevent mouth infections. It's important that you look after the spacer, and here are some tips. You do not need to wash the AeroChamber Plus Flow Vu before you use it for the first time, but once you start using it, wash it weekly. To wash, first remove the back piece. Then twist the chamber to remove the front piece. Gently wash the parts in lukewarm water with washing up liquid, then leave to soak for 15 minutes. Rinse the parts in clean water. Carefully shake out any excess water, then let the parts air dry naturally in a vertical position. Once the spacer is completely dry, twist the front piece back onto the chamber and press the back piece firmly into place. Make sure that the alignment feature on the back piece is in line with the Flow Vu indicator on the front piece. Your child's spacer should be replaced every 12 months, but some may need to be replaced sooner. If you're unsure about how to use your child's metered dose inhaler and spacer, speak to their GP, practice nurse or pharmacist for assistance.